Hi, I'm Ken Boyer with Garage Gurus, and today I've got a tech tip about starting system diagnostics involving the ignition system. I've made up a couple of harnesses here. They're simple ignition systems to demonstrate the circuit and how to diagnose it. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is show the simple circuit that I put together of the ignition system. So I've just got an ignition switch here. It's just key on, it's spring loaded. I've got power coming to that switch through a fuse, and I'm taking the power off of the main power post off of the starter. So I just want to emphasize, and I know this is simple, but I just want to emphasize that the power going through the circuit needs to be checked at the switch, and it needs to be checked that you're getting power through the switch and to the S terminal on the solenoid. So if you have a condition where you've got a key on and maybe no click, you need to make sure that you follow the diagnostics in that whatever vehicle you're working on and follow the power through the key switch and then from the key switch to the S solenoid. So I just wanted to keep this simple just to show how simple that circuit is. So next we're going to look at another circuit. Okay, so I've installed my second ignition system, and I just want to show you the same thing. I'm taking my power from my main power post off the starter, going through my fuse, coming over to a key switch. This happens to be a push button system to where all I have to do is turn that key on and then push the button and I can activate the starter. So if I've got an issue with the starting system, with this system, it could either be the key switch or it could be the push button. So you're just looking for power through the fuse, you're looking through power to the ignition key, to the push button, and then to the S terminal, the start terminal on the solenoid. So just a simple way of just showing how the flow of power goes through both the ignition key and the button. And then if you have an issue with, say, like I said earlier, when you're pushing, when you hit the key and you push the button and nothing happens, you need to make sure that you're getting power to the key. You need to make sure you're getting power to the button. And then once that's done, you need to make sure you're getting, clean power to the S terminal on the solenoid. So just a simple way of diagnosing a system, and of course follow the manufacturer's recommendations when it comes to diagnosing a circuit like this. For more videos and training, visit garagegurus.tech. I'm Ken Boyer. Thanks for watching.